This is the Ola Future Factory. We are building the world's largest two-wheeler factory here in India. This factory will have 15% of the world's capacity of two-wheelers. We will produce 10 million scooters a year, or one scooter every 2 seconds. And this factory that we are building is also going to be the biggest building in India. It can fit within itself both the Mumbai and the Delhi airports. This scale is the only way we bring this revolution here fast and make electric two-wheelers accessible to everybody. And with our future factory, we will also usher in a new modern era of Industry 4.0 here in India. The past paradigms of manufacturing were built in China, but the future of manufacturing will be written here in India. India can and will be a leader in manufacturing products of the future in the factories of the future. Almost 80% of the vehicles we sell in India are two-wheelers. We sell 20 million two-wheelers a year. And yet only about 12% of our population owns a two-wheeler. And as we develop as a nation, we need to ensure many, many more people get access to a two-wheeler. But we can't make them gasoline two-wheelers. We need to ensure these are electric two-wheelers. Despite this huge market, scooters, which were essentially urban mobility vehicles for the youth, haven't been innovated upon for decades. These vehicles, the ones in the market currently, are completely out of sync with the aspirations of India. They're boring, dull, slow, clunky, and just don't represent the future. What's more, the electric vehicles, which we're supposed to build for the future, currently in the market, they're even worse than their ICE counterparts on almost every aspect. Our goal at Ola has been to build products which are both sustainable and also revolutionary compared to what exists in the market. And we've designed a scooter that has the best design, best performance, and best technology. Quite simply, it's the best scooter ever built. And we're calling it the Ola S1. Here, take a look. Climate change is real, and we will all have to be the change we want to see. The future is going to be electric, and I hope that our investments in the future factory and the revolutionary product we announced today will encourage all of you consumers and industry to reject petrol and truly commit to electric. But this moment here today is about much more than climate change. Our Prime Minister has laid out an inspiring vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. The 21st century is up for grabs, and we are competing with many, many countries to lead the next century. And for too long, we've been the 5th largest car market, the 5th largest renewable market, or the 2nd largest innovation destination. But now it's time for India to be number 1. It's time for India to lead the world in electrification and build the technologies of the future here in India for the entire world. Today, we are announcing Mission Electric with the goal that after 2025, no more petrol two-wheelers will be sold in India. This is a call to consumers and to industry to truly, truly commit to electric. Doing this is certainly not going to be easy, but I believe that together we can and we must. The climate needs it, the world wants it, and our country definitely deserves it. Jai Hind.